Welcome to the first annual Future Women of Welding competition. There has never been a competition of this type. The numbers of the young ladies that are getting into this trade are growing immensely.
Safety is our first priority. Please do not get hurt. Plant your pieces in there tight.
I think it's cool that we get to come here into a competition because there's a bunch of other girls from a bunch of different schools, and you get to test out your skills and you get to see like how other people evaluate and make up their decisions on how they build stuff and like what they do first.
I think it's awesome. I get to build character as a young adult, and then right after high school I can go on and have a future that even adults can't have. I love the opportunity.
Just trying to get like my measuring tape and like wired and stuff so it's easier for me to come and go.
This is the first time that there has been a competition of this type. And I've always had an idea of wanting to do an all-female welding competition because I think it's important not just to include this group being as small as it is, but to celebrate the opportunity for them to be in such a trade such as it is.
There is a huge push right now for people to get into the skilled trades, especially women.
I'm working on the competition to work on my skills so that in the future, whenever I go into welding for whatever part that I want to be in, I can kind of test my skills and see how I'm going.
We've had almost $15,000 donated in prizes and such, so it's a really good event.
The level 3 project, which is going to be your seniors, that's going to challenge them in the process of TIG and stick welding. They're going to do some oxy fuel as well. All positions are going to do it overhead. They'll have sparks showering on them and all that good stuff, so that's really, that's the life of a welder.
I think it's great the camaraderie that they see with each other, with the instructors, with all the entities that are here with this celebration. Many doors are open. They can write their own ticket.